If you're following our social media at all, I hope I'm going to make you sick to death of hearing about the Corporate Transparency Act. The Corporate Transparency Act is a brand new federal act that was passed that requires all corporate entities, that's corporations, business trusts, LLCs, any sort of business entity at all, even one that claims not to be a business entity but is still run like a corporate entity, is required to file with the Corporate Transparency Act with the federal government. This means you have to tell them what your ownership structure is, as well as the people who have power to control your corporate entity. This is sort of a confusing thing, but the federal government is trying to sort of crack down on corporations being set up as shell corporations to hide ownership and to funnel money in various ways. They have lots of reasons they want to know this information. It is being challenged in federal court right now. So far in the Northern District of Alabama, there's been one successful challenge, but there are others that are taking challenges up in the federal system. And right now, if that's not you, if you're not involved in one of those challenges, you are required by the end of the year to file all of this information with the Department of the Treasury. So if you have not done that, I recommend that you do it. If you would rather challenge that act in court and bring a lawsuit, you can also do that. But I'm bringing this to people's attention because a lot of people don't know about it. It's a brand new act, and it will also require you to update the government with future changes to your corporate entity. Be mad about it if you want, but comply with the law and make sure that they don't come after you. It does involve fines, prison time, and other various penalties if you don't follow through. So if you are an owner of an entity, an LLC, any of these, feel free to call us at Cornerstone Law Firm to discuss your options and make sure that you get in compliance with that statute.